Hello guys, in this video I will show you what to do if you want to stop someone from following you without blocking or restricting their account. So there is actually a very easy and new way to do this on Instagram. You just have to go to your profile, then go to your followers, and it's very easy. You can just tap on one of them on the remove button and you can remove them from following you. This is a very easy and simple way to do this. This feature wasn't available for a very long time, so the community was asking for this feature was asking Instagram to launch this feature, and finally we got it. So yeah, it's very easy now. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.